Hey beauties, happy summertime. I hope you're all enjoying this summer. I think most of us are experiencing unusual summers. Some of us are too hot and some of us are surprisingly not. I thought for sure that this was going to be my hot girl summer, but the temperatures actually have been pretty reasonable. I've not been like out there too much. So it's that time of the month again. I'm sorry you missed out on July, but I've been so sick, and with the move I accidentally deleted the footage. So we're gonna start with our Ipsy, and Ipsy is great for travel. Like, have you been saving up your Ipsy products and now you can put them all together for your beach getaway? Well, I think that is an amazing thing to have, is like you store up your Ipsy stuff and then you can use it when you travel. It's like the perfect thing. With each Glam bag, there's 5 deluxe beauty samples. If you subscribe to Ipsy, you get to choose one of the products for your Glam bag. Is worth up to $70, and you only pay $14 a month. So let's just jump into it. We got a little baggie, and we have our little card. It's Passport to Glow. Vacation-worthy makeup, refreshing skincare, and transportive scents. So these little bags are so good for travel. I love this. And look, it matches what I have on. I love that so much. Okay, so we have our 5 products. Let's see what we have. I don't have any products on, so let's just try this out. That's so, I like the flavor of it, and it's very shiny. It's not sticky. So this gets a good approval from me. So this is from Cantano Beauty, and I really like it. It has no sticky, you know how some glosses are like real sticky. This one isn't, and I really like the shine. 5 stars. Now we have a Real Chemist, and this is a Fresh Start foaming cleanser. Of course, I'm not gonna do this one, but we will give it a teeny tiny little looky. It's like a white cream. Oh, it smells really, really good. It feels very smooth. So it's a deep cleaning amino acid and non-drying foaming cleanser. And it smells really nice. I can't wait to try that. Next we have from KEYS Soul Care. It's a Protect Your Light Daily Moisturizer, broad spectrum SP 30 sunscreen. It's an SPF 30, which you should be wearing your sunblock this summer. Those sun rays are so bad for your skin. I know it feels good, ladies, but let's protect ourselves. Let's see how far a little bit goes. doesn't have any odor, which that's good. And it, for such a little bit of product, it goes a long way. It's kind of a thick cream, but it does spread out. Of course, if you wanted to use more, you could. But just for under your makeup and things, that amount would be fine, and it would be protection that you wouldn't normally have on. I like it because it doesn't have an overwhelming smell. I like the way it goes on. It's not like sticky or like thick. I like it a lot, actually. Definitely something I would look into buying. And then we have a blush Fusion multi-dimensional pigments, an attack-free satiny base that allows it to impart a soft focus, natural luminous color to make cheekbones pop without any harsh lines. Formulated to be layered with creams or powders so you can effortlessly sculpt and enhance your best feature without your makeup piling. Leave behind a truly lustrous, even textured flush of color, further infused with periwinkle, while mulberry extracts known for their skin replenishing and brightening properties. Blend into the apples of your cheek, hairline, bridge of your nose and chin to naturally mimic a fresh, youthful look. Well, let's see if it makes me look fresh and youthful. Let's see if it makes me look fresh and youthful. I love the little packaging. And now let's just check the color out. Oh, it's so cute. It has a little hibiscus looking flower on it. And I'm just gonna go in with my fingers. This side. Who does that face? Tell me you do that face. That makes it look a little red. Maybe you're supposed to look like you have the sun without. So what do y'all think? Did it do its job? So that's Periwinkle and Pop. This is in Seashell. And then we have this. It is from Tarte, which we love a Tarte product, and it's called Fake Away. It is like a little eyeliner, and I don't know. Okay. As you can see, it kind of brightens up your eye. So there you go. Do I look younger and more youthful to you? Thank you, Ipsy, for trying to provide that look for me. So we have the Periwinkle and Pop. We have the Tarte and Takeaway. We have the Real Chemist Foaming Cleanser. We have the Katano Beauty Lip Gloss. And we have the SPF moisturizer from Keys. So that is our Glam Bag for this month. Great to go in your bag for travel. Great for separating out items that you don't want losing. And that is it. I hope that you enjoyed this Ipsy Glam Bag. And please use my code. Right now, they're doing like a little thing for us creators. And if you could possibly use my code, I would love it so much. And I would appreciate it because every little bit helps in this day and age. So help a girl out and use my code. Thanks a bunch. I love y'all. See you next time.